Hey there, Scorpions, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be talking about slicing and striding in Python, or slicing of strings or numbers or whatever. So, slicing and striding of strings in Python. And so, if you're new to this channel, please do click the subscribe button and be sure to hit the notification icon to be receiving updates on the same. And now, right away to our exercise, and we are going to be learning about how to slice and stride in Python, and the difference between slicing and striding in Python. Okay, so let me just call it striding py. Okay, so I'll create a new file and call it striding.py. And here we are going to be talking about slicing and striding. Slicing is quite easy, and it's just like we had said, when you have a variable or containing the object of string, which is not hello, but goodbye. We said it's goodbye world, well, because we love to do things differently and uniquely. So when you have an object goodbye world, an object of string goodbye world, and you want to perform slicing on this particular string, you could be able to say print. Okay, you just say print word, and slicing use square brackets. Okay, so slicing, we say let me say I want it from 0 all the way to the 5th. Okay, and when you print that from our console, we have good B. Okay, good B. We actually don't have the Y and E, so it's printing numbers from 0. Okay, from the 0th index, which is G. Okay, to, but excluding the 5th index. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it excludes the 5th index. So we had said when you have strings given in this manner, 0 to 5, so it means print from this particular index to, but excluding that particular index. So in this case, we exclude index 5 of the string, but include the 4th index of the string. And you could also be able to have an output of like let's say print maybe now print from 0. Okay, still from 0 to the rest of the sentence. Okay, to the rest of it. Now it's like print all of it. Okay, and when you run that bit of code, you have like goodbye world. So print everything, that is 0 to everything. Okay, or you could also say print from the 7th character to the rest of everything that we have in the string, and that should give you an output of world. Okay, only world. So we're printing from 7 going backward. And we had also said you can be able to do negative indexing, and negative indexing is reverse counting from right to left, and you count beginning -1. And so when you have when you have that string and we want to negative index that string, slice it negatively, we can have say -5 all the way to the rest of it. Okay, -5 all the way to the rest of it. And when you print that, we have all. Okay, so it's like it's printing from the -5 index to the rest of it. So from this one, from -0 to the rest of it. Okay, so it prints all of that. And you could also be having, let's say, print from nothing up to -4. Okay, so when you print that, you have goodbye world. Okay, you have goodbye world. So you have print up to -4. Okay, so it ends there. So like it's up to but excluding -4. So it excludes r, which is -4. So it will print everything beginning here up to but excluding -4, which is r, and only instead prints wo. So play around with indexing for that is, and now let's jump straight now into striding. Okay, let me say striding. Okay, and striding in Python is basically this is to say we are simply skipping or leaping. Okay, so like skip or move in this particular direction given this number of leaps. Is leaping in a given direction. Okay, so that is what striding means. So and striding is denoted by two full colons. Okay, so it basically say like move in this particular direction, like move from point A to point B, and in leaps of maybe 1, or in leaps of maybe 2 or 3. So slicing in regards to strings. Here now we have an example of let's use the example that we have. Okay, let me use a new example, like let's say name. If you have name, a name object, Camilla. Okay, when you say Camilla, you say Camilla, the name Camilla. Okay, but we want to stride the name Camilla or the object Camilla, so we can simply say print. Okay, print print name, but do stride this name. So we want to print it from 0 to let me say the 5th character, no, but the 6th character in strides of 2. Okay, so like move from the 0th index to the 6th index in leaps of 2. So like skip every 2 letters in between. So when you run that piece of code, you only get CMI. Okay, so you like C, so we begin C, and then we skip 2, so we skip A and M. Okay, and then we get M. Okay, and we want to end at the 6th character. Okay, so it will only be able to print C, M, and I, so that we are skipping and including the 6th character in it. The 6th character that we have here is I, and so it will be able to give you C, and skip 2, which is A and M, but then print M and the 6th character, that is I, so that we have CMI. Okay, that is it for slicing and striding in indexing. You can be able to work more with examples in striding and then be able to learn more. And that's it for now, guys. I'll see you on the other side. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you.